Typical price on this is about $312. This is a pressure switch. The whole point of this is to actually take a pressure reading from the inducer to make sure that inducer is actually running. A lot of these will actually, from the board, have a 24 volts going here all the time. So it will see that this pressure switch is what we call open. So it knows that inducer is not running. Then it will actually kick on the inducer and then close, and so it'll know the inducer wasn't running at first. Now it is running. So now we're safe to go ahead and move on to our sequence of operation. Unlike that natural draft furnace your grandma had in her house, we want to make sure you're safe.